Hi everyone, this video will show you how to get your Cree Professional 123 ready to use. To begin with, you need to take the security digital card out of this tool and put it in a card reader. Then we need to insert the card reader in the port of your computer. By the way, the Launch Update tool can be downloaded from our Launch official website. As for the activation, you need to use the serial number and register code, which can be obtained once your tool is powered up with a cable. With this update software, you just need to key in and submit the information. Now we can see the faulty software is available to download, and we will keep updating new versions. Of course, you can decide and select software you want to download. This message is used to check the SD card. Once you confirm, please wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. Next, we put the SD card back to the tool and power it up with a cable. The tool is going to verify and upgrade itself, and the tool will initialize automatically afterwards. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.